Think you're a vintage car expert? Can you identify these 15 classic beauties from just a photo? Let's start the ultimate classic car quiz. A stunning piece of 30s luxury. Can you name it? Is it A. 1934 Lincoln Model K5, B. 1933 Cadillac V16, C. 1935 Packard 12, D. 1932 Duesenberg Model J? And the right answer is A. 1934 Lincoln Model K5. The Lincoln Model K5 was a symbol of elegance and prestige, featuring a powerful V12 engine and handcrafted luxury details. A stunning piece of 40s luxury. Can you name it? Is it A. 1941 Packard 180, B. 1942 Lincoln Continental, C. 1940 Cadillac Series 75, D. 1939 Chrysler Imperial? And the right answer is A. 1941 Packard 180. The 1941 Packard 180 was a top-tier luxury car featuring advanced engineering and a silky smooth ride. A true icon of pre-war elegance. Can you name it? Is it A. 1931 Duesenberg Model J, B. 1932 Cadillac V16, C. 1930 Packard 8, D. 1931 Lincoln Model K? And the right answer is A. 1931 Duesenberg Model J. The Duesenberg Model J was considered one of the most powerful and luxurious American cars of its time, famously associated with Hollywood stars and royalty. A stunning piece of 30s craftsmanship. Can you name it? Is it A. 1936 Plymouth P2 Deluxe, B. A 1935 Ford Model 48, C. 1937 Chevrolet Master, D. A 1934 Dodge DR Deluxe? And the right answer is A. 1936 Plymouth P2 Deluxe. The Plymouth P2 Deluxe was known for its advanced engineering and affordability, making it a popular choice during the Great Depression. A stunning piece of 60s American muscle. Can you name it? Is it A. 1967 Pontiac GTO, B. 1968 Chevrolet Impala, C. 1969 Ford Torino GT, D. 1966 Dodge Charger? And the right answer is B. 1968 Chevrolet Impala. The 968 Impala featured a new, more aggressive design and offered a powerful 427 cubic inch V8, making it a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. One of the most stylish rides of the 50s. What is it? Is it A. 1956 Dodge Coronet, B. 1959 Rambler Rebel, C. 1958 DeSoto Fire Dome. D. 1953 Oldsmobile 98. And the right answer is C. 1958 DeSoto Fire Dome. The DeSoto Fire Dome was powered by a Hemi V8 engine, making it a powerful yet stylish cruiser of its time. A true American dream on wheels. Can you name it? Is it A. 1954 Mercury Monterey, B. 1955 Ford Thunderbird, C. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala, D. 1957 Plymouth Fury? And the right answer is B. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. The Thunderbird was Ford's response to the Corvette, introducing the concept of the personal luxury car rather than a pure sports car. A performance beast from the 50s. What's your best guess? Is it A. 1958 Plymouth Fury, B. 1959 Cadillac Eldorado, C. 1955 Chrysler 300, D. 1956 Dodge Coronet? And the right answer is A. 1958 Plymouth Fury. The Plymouth Fury was one of the fastest American cars of its time, packing a high-output V8 engine under the hood. A stunning piece of Aussie muscle. Can you name it? Is it A. 1968 Ford Falcon XT GT, B. 1969 Holden HT Monaro GTS 253, C. 1970 Chrysler Valiant Pacer, D. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28? And the right answer is B. 1969 Holden HT Monaro GTS 253. The HT Monaro GTS 253 was a true Australian performance icon, featuring a 253 cubic inch V8 and bold muscle car styling. A classic with Hollywood fame. What's your guess? Is it A. 1959 Rambler Rebel, B. 1953 Oldsmobile 98, C. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, D. 1958 Chevrolet Impala? And the right answer is C. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Did you know? The 57 Bel Air is one of the most recognizable classic cars, often featured in movies, music videos, and car shows. A classic with Hollywood fame. What's your guess? Is it A. 1959 Rambler Rebel, B. 1953 Oldsmobile 98, C. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, D. 1958 Chevrolet Impala? And the right answer is C. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Did you know? The 57 Bel Air is one of the most recognizable classic cars, often featured in movies, music videos, and car shows. A timeless cruiser from the 50s. What's your best guess? Is it A, 1959 Rambler Rebel, B, 1953 Buick Roadmaster, C, 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner, D, 1954 Mercury Monterey? And the right answer is C, 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. This was the first production car with a retractable hardtop, an engineering marvel of its time. A stunning piece of 60s luxury. Can you name it? Is it A, 1960 Lincoln Premier, B, 1960 Cadillac Eldorado, C, 1960 Chrysler Imperial Crown, D, 1960 Buick Electra 225? And the right answer is A, 1960 Lincoln Premier. The 1960 Lincoln Premier featured dramatic styling with canted headlights and massive tail fins, representing the peak of post-war American automotive extravagance. A tough mix of muscle and utility. Can you name it? Is it A, 1972 Chevrolet El Camino SS, B, 1972 Ford Ranchero GT, C, 1972 Dodge D100 Adventurer, D, 1972 GMC Sprint SP? And the right answer is B, 1972 Ford Ranchero GT. The Ranchero GT combined muscle car power with pickup practicality, a true hybrid of style and strength. A stunning piece of early 60s luxury. Can you name it? Is it A, 1961 Cadillac Eldorado, B, 1962 Pontiac Bonneville, C, 1963 Chrysler 300J, D, 1960 Lincoln Continental? And the right answer is B, 1962 Pontiac Bonneville. The 1962 Bonneville was known for its powerful V8 engine and sleek jet-inspired design, making it one of Pontiac's most prestigious full-size models. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And if you love classic muscle cars, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next quiz. See you in the next challenge.